Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Leatherman Free P2 here with me, and we're gonna just do a quick overview of the tools on this guy. First of all, let's just do a quick size comparison. This is up against your Wave Plus and up against the Leatherman Surge. So this is, of course, like bigger, heavier, stronger, faster, everything. And let's put it together up against the Leatherman T4 right over here. So as you can see, you can also check the width. It's, thinner than the small guy. Look at this. Huh? Pretty nice. So let's just have a quick look at the tools on this one. So first of all, let's just check the blade. This is, a combo blade, serrated with some plain edge, hollow grind. You have a nice like ship's foot over here. All like same 420 HC high carbon steel from Leatherman, and pretty nice stock, and yeah, nothing wrong to say about this one. All these tools are external rather than on the Wave. For example, you have only 4 tools on the inside, but we're going to do a comparison later. So you have all the tools on the outside of the tool. For example, next to this one, you got your Phillips screwdriver over here, bottle opener, and next to that you have your package opener. As you can see, sharp side right over here, or pry bar, because look at this stock thickness over here, and also like a medium flathead screwdriver over there. Then on the other side, you've got these guys. So you have like can opener going on. This is pretty thin, I would say, but it's gonna be useful. It's gonna be able to do the job done. Next to that, you've got your owl over here with a sharp side over here, and also like a beveled, like a tiny flathead screwdriver built in as well. And next to that, you're gonna have your ruler, which is tiny, but yeah, if you need to measure like little things like screws and stuff like that, is going to be useful. And again, another like a screwdriver, like I would say medium flathead screwdriver, a little bit of a bevel, wire stripper right there, or wire like small like line cutter kind of thing. And next to that, you have your another screwdriver flathead over here, wood and metal file, and sorry, here. And lastly but not least, you have your nice pair of scissors, way improved over the Leatherman Wave, which was the Achilles heel of that tool. Right over on the outside, you also have your dip carry pocket clip. It's removable. You cannot change position. It's just on this side. And as you can see, it's a little bit tilted on this side, not because it's bent or anything, but it's just because the design, it's like this. So it's like a pyramidal, like triangular kind of shape. You see, it's domed. So that's why this is at an angle. If you open the tool, you're just gonna have your needle nose plier, hard wire cutter, and like a crimper over here. And you also have the option to replace, this hardened wire cutter pieces, like over here. So, if a long time they get mangled, no problem. You can just replace them. So yeah, there you have it. So this was just a quick overview of the tools present in the Leatherman Free P2. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.